Hi there, this is grails wschat 1.12. I'm going to talk through some of the features of this latest release. What we've got is we've defined the taglet call. Now the reason why you would want to use this would be potentially for if you want to incorporate this with your internal application and have your own authentication system. I've included this tag which does all of the includes, which means all the styles will load in. There's include all style and include style. You'll have to play around and see which one works for you. So in this case, we've got a new feature in 1.12 which has profile, and the profile you can define a hash map of values, keys and values of what things in the profile you wish to update when you do this taglib. If you define a boolean what value is it? It's so these are all the tags that you can have in there. It's in the documentation. This will probably move into I'll create a new section for this tag call because I've not even described it properly. I think there is something in documentation but I've not described it properly. But yeah, you need to set this to true or false within the speech marks. The default is false, otherwise so if the user keeps on logging in, if you have this on, it will keep on updating their information. If you don't, then whatever's set the first time, if there's information there, it won't update. So what will happen is in our application, if we log in as a test controller, as that index page, the profile has got that example email address which we have in here. If we change this to test2, maybe to test user 2, we go back, go to our test controller again. No, it's test2. Right. So that's this feature. I've tied it up. There was a problem with the rooms sorted. It's the layout more than anything else. You have this thing which allows you to change the tone of the chat room, and that will change everything within it. So if we create a new session, go into it from here. So we've got CC and all that. Oh yeah, we're in a different room. So here we go. So all the menus change according to the colour scheme. And the default is that one there. So that's that. I've enabled I don't know which, it's one of these. You need one of these to enable screen capturing. I'm going to do the screen capturing first of all, then I'm going to go through into some of the other topics. So WebRTC screen share, yes. If we go to the other browser, WebRTC screen, yes. And now we have a screen share of my screen being shared across the two sessions. So that's screen sharing. Okay. Right. So some of the new features now. I'll go to a different colour. Is in this menu option here. And you can create a view users first of all, which will show you your users. This bit isn't working, but so for example you can PM test user, or you can block or ban or whatever, and you can search for, oh, not good. I'm doing this video before I release it because I wanted to capture the bugs before I release it. So there's a bug there, I need to fix that. It should be allowing me to search and it's not. CC wasn't on there. Oh, is it 2? Ah, CC's there, yeah, CC's me. So the bug's there. Now, if we do, we now do, so the features, the other feature now, so we've done view users. The last feature of this release is create conference. This is it's trying to do what AngularJS would be doing. So we'll create a conference name of AA, invite a person, and it will try and auto-complete according to what's on the system. So if it finds the user, it will auto-complete it. And then you get the option, if they've not got an email address, you get an option to set their email address. So if we set cc at cc.com, so start date now, it can be within 5 minutes, done, end date. The end date is really, if you wanted it to be now, you get 10 minutes before, 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after for the people to join it. So if you set it in an hour, they get an hour within that period plus the 5 minutes before and after to join that session. If they've joined it and the room is open, the room will be left open. The moment they will leave beyond that period and pre that period, they can't join it. And I'll try and do, so we've got one booking. If we do another booking, create another conference, am I seeing the emails? I'm not seeing the emails, right, so that's not good. I need to do something. This got anything right. Okay, so let's try that again. Create a conference. If the names doesn't matter, the names gets changed and it adds the date and time to the conference name. So it's neither here or there. Do every user. CC no. Changes going on there. Maybe it's me. Trying to apply. Got a bug there, I need to fix that bug as well. So to get around this problem for now, if I delete profile, I've got a profile now. So we go back to here again. Create conference. This is a feature for admins, by the way. So as a normal user, you can't. We can add test user and test user 2. So if we set this as now and now, a booking. So I've got 3 emails now for the 3 users. So here's the thing, you can't be logged in at the same time. So if I'm CC here, if I try and go to this, it will tell me I'm already logged in. I'm already logged in here. So if I come out of here and try that link again, so that will be emailed to the user. I've joined that room now. If I can't see the room from the normal room list, and it's a specific name, other people can't join it because they need to have that token in order to join it. So that's how it works. If we join another user as well, here, copy. So there's 2 of us in this room now, and no one else can join us, or well, besides that last person. So that's room bookings, and if we do another example, create a conference. CC will be sufficient. Date and time. Let's make it now, but make it in the hours 1840. No. 1714. No. 1840. Yeah, right. Disadvantages of motherboards, I guess. Now, 1 hour. I should have an email. Take email. Go over here. Test user. See that one. Post this. So there you go. So it hasn't let me into the room, even though it's a valid token, because it's not within the period. I think that's it really with this. There's another feature I just forgot to tell you about, which in the config.groovy. So there's been a lot of changes in the database. You can enable these features, and if you enable DB store and PM and room, and you can do user messages, which is everything that goes to the user, but really you probably want PM and room, and that will capture everything that the user's doing. So if we go to our DB console, I haven't actually created a front end for this, but I guess at some point we can have a front end for this. Chat messages, run. So there's all the messages, and we're capturing them. So that's it. Okay.